What's up, homie? This is Macy. Are you still worried about store site? Don't worry, we can help you. How to help? Let me introduce our service today. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe our channel to get the latest tip for growing your business. Let's go. We have involved in signage industry for 14 years. Up to now, we have served customers from 100 different areas, shipping 300 sets of sign every month. We can provide many successful cases for you to refer. Signs for store, for indoor decoration, for celebration, even for project we can make. With hundreds of employees, LCSIGN have developed manufacturer side solutions and mission-critical applications worldwide. From order to produce, our sales team will offer the best service. They will tell customers about product details, such as the material we use, the structure of the whole site, also with installation guidance. Not just focusing size, they also care about customers' feedback. Get problem in time, we can provide quickly. Get good feedback, we can know what we should insist. Many of our breakthroughs have come as a result of listening to our customer, taking the time to understand their needs. The relationship we build with our customer often go beyond the life cycle of their projects. With LCSIGN, you can not only get good site, but also can save money. To provide best site and service, we will continue to level up the criteria, just as what we insist this year. This is Macy from LCSIGN. Hope to be your best business partner in China. See you next time.